Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the Tulip Bunch. Today, talking about Tweedia. With blue trending so strong for weddings and events, it's sure to become a favorite. When you get it, think back to flower school. It is a flower with milky sap. So you've got to do a little bit extra. When you get it in, loosen it up. Look for anything damaged. And then, when you give it a cut, singe the end so that you're burning it. It'll still drink, but it won't bleed out that milky sap. Now, when you use this in your design, if you cut it again, you have to burn it again. So yes, you might be doing this repeatedly. Once when you get it in for the processing, and then again when you cut it to design. Now you know how to take care of your Tweedia.